Hello everyone, welcome to studyresearch.in. Today we will discuss the topic of importance of management of chapter nature and significance of management. So let's talk about importance of management. The very first importance of management is that management helps in achieving group goals. First of all, let's understand the meaning of group here. Beta, in every organization, two type of groups are there. One is the employer and other is employee. Employer means owner who has his own goal, and employee means the person who is working in the organization. They also join the organization with their own goal. Management helps in achieving the goal of employer as well as employee. For example, in management, the work is managed in such a manner, that the goal of both of these persons should get a common direction. And the target is that if employer's goal is achieved, then ultimately employee's goal will also be achieved. Employer's goal is to earn the profit and employee's goal is to earn more salaries and wages. So if management tries to get the work done in such a manner that employer's goal should be achieved through employees. Once the employer's goal is achieved of earning profit, then they share this profit with the form of wages with the employees. So employee's goal is also achieved. So management helps in achieving the goal of employer as well as employee. Second importance of management is management increases efficiency. Till now, we know the meaning of efficiency. Efficiency means doing work with least wastage of resources. Doing work with the least wastage of resources. In management, when we do planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, it means each and every work is done in a systematic manner. When for each and every activity we are doing planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, so it ensures that each and every activity of organization will be done in the best possible manner. So there will be no wastage of resources. If there is no wastage of resources, so there is efficiency. So under management, by planning, organizing, staffing, directing, it ensures that it increases efficiency. So the third importance of management is management creates a dynamic organization. What is the meaning of dynamic? Dynamic means which keeps on changing. Dynamic means which keeps on changing. So definitely under management, the organization is the employer or the managers are working in such kind of environment in which keeps on changing, which keeps on updating. So to stay in the environment, to stay in the market, they also need to update themselves. But how they will update? If they can update the machinery, they can change the technology, that can be easily changed. But the difficult part is to convince the manpower to change. So management tries to get work done in such a manner that this manpower should also get updated, their knowledge. So that management should be able to face the challenging environment. Then fourth importance of management is management helps in achieving personal objectives. What is the meaning of personal objectives? Personal objectives are the personal goals of the employees. So management not only helps in achieving the goal of the organization, but it also helps in achieving the goal of the employees who are working in the organization. Because if the employees' goals will not be achieved, like if they want promotion, or if they have target of getting good salaries, or they want incentives, if these objectives will not be fulfilled, then they will be dissatisfied, and dissatisfied manpower can never lead to success of the organization. So management makes sure that employees' goals should also be achieved, which means personal objectives should also be achieved. So they try to get work done in such a manner that personal objective of employees should also be achieved. The last benefit of management is that management helps in development management helps in development of society. How management helps in development of society? Like we have studied the objectives of management. In those objectives we said that organization management has three objectives: organizational objectives, personal objectives and social objectives. By achieving these social objectives, management helps in development of the society. So, you can simply write down that by achieving the social objectives, like by giving jobs to handicapped people, by providing good quality goods and services to people, management ensures that there should be benefit of society as well. So, these are the 5 importance of management. I am just giving a quick revision to it. First is management helps in achieving group goals. Group goal means goal of the employer as well as employees. Management tries to get work done in such a manner that not only the organizational goal but employees' goal should also be achieved. Second, management increases efficiency. Efficiency means better utilization of resources. Under management, while doing planning, organizing, staffing, directing, we ensure that resources should be used in the best possible manner, which increases efficiency. Management creates dynamic organization. Dynamic means which keeps on updating, which keeps on changing. To survive in the market, management also has to change. But so for that they need to convince their manpower. So, time by time, by giving certain incentives, by showing the benefits of updation, they convince their manpower to change as per the changing environment. Next is management helps in achieving personal objective. Personal objectives are the personal goals of the employees who are working in the organization. Every manager knows that satisfied manpower leads to success of the organization. So, they make sure under management that employees' personal goals should also be achieved. And finally, management helps in development of society. So, by achieving the social objectives, management helps in achieving the benefits of society. Thank you very much for joining this class. After this, let me tell you one thing, that the mind map of this importance of management will be available on studyresearch.in. So, better you people go to study research.